Ladies and gentlemen, Upscayl as well as Pixelcut.ai are fantastic image upscale tools. However, they both have different features that surround that main feature. So let's dive in and see exactly which one is better suited for you as a creator. All right, we're looking at Upscayl with a Y. Why? Because they can. So it's actually powered by more than 6 desktop and more than 12 cloud AI models using real ESRGAN technology for superior enhancement, quality, and detail preservation. And you can scale images from 2 times up to 16 times resolution without the quality degradation. It's perfect for everything from web to print, especially if you're doing large prints. What else is also nice is if you want to improve your workflow, you can process multiple images simultaneously, which dramatically reduce the workflow time for creators and businesses handling large volumes. It runs seamlessly on Windows, Mac, and Linux with full open source transparency, fostering community-driven innovation as well as trust. It also removes compression artifacts, sharpens finer details, and it recovers lost image information for print quality professional results. Also, it has a built-in before-after comparison slider that lets you instantly assess the enhancement quality and make a more informed decision about the images that you are upscaling. It's great for photographers and designers. Of course, you can transform your low-resolution shots into gallery-worthy prints. Also, it's great for content creators. You can elevate your website visuals. Business teams, you can upgrade marketing collateral, product catalogs, promotional materials, and really they have unmatched competitive advantages. So their zero cost maximum value over here is that it's completely free with no subscription fees at all. There's no hidden costs or feature limitations, and it really democratizes the professional image enhancement for everybody. They have a privacy-first approach, so your local desktop processing keeps your images secure and private, while optional cloud services offer fast speed and unlimited storage flexibility, if of course that's something that you need. And then they're transparent, community-driven, and their development ensures rapid improvements, customization possibilities, and long-term reliability without that vendor lock-in. The last thing over here is their superior output quality. So they are an industry leader in color accuracy and detail preservation that delivers print-ready results that rival expensive commercial alternatives like Topaz Gigapixel. Pixelcut.ai is an image upscaling tool, and really they do stand out from the competition. So let's dive into a little bit more of what they offer. So first of all, they have advanced upscaling technology, which instantly enhances image resolution while still preserving the perfect quality and the finer details. The finer details is what we're actually looking at here. And it's perfect for product listings, marketing campaigns, social media content, and professional portfolio presentations. It's a complete suite. So it's integrated with background removal tools, image expansion tools, retouching tools, and this is great for end-to-end editing altogether. It's trusted globally by brands such as Adidas, Apple, Chanel, and you can understand why. Some of their competitive and market advantages include their AI upscaling with minimal clicks, optimized for fast, efficient workflows. There's no complex prompts required. You literally upload and click submit and upscale, and that is it. And you can download your image. You can also choose how much you upscale. But beyond that, they have video creation tools, AI image generation, and competitive editing that reduces tool switching. So you can literally do everything in one single space. It's powered by advanced AI models from Google, Runway, and Luma for consistently superior results, and their market position includes delivering a unique competitive edge, which is tailored specifically for creators and businesses requiring scalable professional-grade image enhancement solutions. The platform also allows growing adoption, which is among top-tier clients, signals which is strong market trust and exceptional brand credibility in the creative technology space. You can see over here their AI partners include Google, Runway, and Luma, as I mentioned, and then you get complete editing tools. So there are so many integrated tools that you can throw in there and do literally everything in one space. Now, just as an end note, the combination of their speed and their quality and their comprehensive features really eliminates the need for multiple tools. Also, it streamlines your workflow while still maintaining professional standards that meet the demands of global, obviously very high-end brands. Now, there we go. Ladies and gentlemen, a clash of two amazing tools. The takeaway, however, is always to go ahead and try the tools for yourself and see which one actually works for you as an individual. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We'll see you next time.